Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best WoodEpox is probably one of the most versatile and reliable wood repair epoxies on the market, designed to tackle everything from minor cosmetic flaws to significant structural damage with ease. Its two-part formula cures into a rock-hard, durable material that can be drilled, sanded, and painted, making it an indispensable tool for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and restoration professionals alike who demand professional-grade results for their projects. This epoxy offers exceptional adhesion to various wood types, ensuring long-lasting repairs that blend seamlessly with the surrounding material, providing a solution that is both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound, ultimately saving you time and money on costly replacements. Number 5. Abatron WoodEpox Kit, 12 ounces. Restore your windows, doors, and other wooden elements. This product permanently repairs damage caused by weather, moisture, age, and pests, rebuilding missing sections. It's easy to mix and apply by hand, with a 20 to 30 minute working time. Once cured, you can paint, stain, drill, carve, saw, nail, plane, sand, and route it just like natural wood. This product is GRN/GUARD certified, containing almost no VOCs, water, or solvents. It has a low odor, offering a clean and safe wood repair solution. Create structural, shrink-free repairs for both exterior and interior use. It bonds to damaged areas and resists further damage from water, pests, and UV rays. Abatron specializes in high-quality, permanent restoration products. Our solvent-free, low VOC items deliver professional results safely and easily. What we like. This product is excellent for rebuilding missing wood sections. It can be worked like natural wood after curing. If you are looking for a versatile filler that can be painted, stained, drilled, and carved, this is a great choice for restoring windows, doors, and trim. What people say. It has a long work time, unlike some epoxies, and is easy to sand, especially with a Drexel Multimax. You can shape it with tools. This product is great if you need to match the profile of the non-rotted wood. I used it to repair the rotted wood corner of a door, which I thought would be impossible to repair without replacing the wood. This is the best wood filler and reconstruction filler on the market. It works incredibly well and can be hand-worked, or tool-applied. Number 4. Abatron WoodEpox Kit, 2 Pint. Restore your windows, doors, and other wooden elements. This product permanently repairs damage caused by weather, moisture, age, and pests, rebuilding missing sections. With a 20 to 30 minute working time, it's easy to mix and apply by hand. Once cured, you can paint, stain, drill, carve, saw, nail, plane, sand, and route it just like natural wood. This eco-friendly solution contains virtually no VOCs, water, or solvents. It offers a low odor and is a clean, safe choice for users and the environment. Achieve structural, shrink-free repairs for both exterior and interior projects. It bonds to damaged areas and resists further damage from water, pests, and UV rays. Abatron specializes in high-quality, permanent restoration products. Our solvent-free items deliver professional results safely and effectively. What we like. This option provides robust structural repairs for damaged wood elements. It offers the same workability as natural wood post-cure. If you need to restore larger areas or multiple items and prefer a filler that can be easily shaped and finished, this is ideal for projects like columns and posts. What people say. It has a long work time, unlike some epoxies, and is easy to sand, especially with a Drexel Multimax. You can shape it with tools. I actually used a paint stick and popsicle sticks to match the existing door edges. This product is significantly superior and cheaper than anything available in Australia. Application is easier, especially when replacing missing wood. It sets solid. It sands super smooth. It's paintable after priming. It's expensive but is easy to mold, can fill large areas quickly and hardens well. I was able to sand, carve and drill it successfully. Number 3. Abatron WD Restoration KT 24 ounces. Restore your damaged wood permanently. This kit hardens, regenerates, fills, and waterproofs, making it ideal for historical restoration projects and everyday repairs. Get started right away with our easy-to-use formula. It offers a generous working time after mixing, and the treated wood hardens quickly. Breathe easy with our eco-friendly solution. It contains virtually no VOCs, water, or solvents, ensuring a low odor and a safe repair for you and the environment. Achieve durable, structural repairs that look like new. It bonds securely and resists future damage from water, pests, and UV rays. We specialize in high-quality, permanent restoration products. Our solvent-free, low VOC items deliver professional results safely and effectively. What we like. This kit is designed to permanently harden and waterproof deteriorated wood. It's particularly well-suited for historical restoration projects. If you're dealing with severely damaged wood and need to restore its integrity and protect it from moisture, this is the solution for windowsills and frames. What people say. The product dries beautifully, it can be sanded, stained, and it is extremely durable. Hardens like a rock and can easily be sanded and painted. Once set up, the putty is very hard, which is a good thing. Number 2. Abatron WoodEpox 2 Pint Kit. Restore the strength of worn and deteriorated wood. This epoxy works on windows, doors, trim, and more, permanently repairing damage caused by weather and poor design. Use for both exterior and interior repairs. When combined with our WoodEpox compound, it creates permanent, strong, and shrink-free repairs. This product contains almost no VOCs, water, or solvents. It has a low odor, making it a safe solution for you and the environment. It has a 30 to 45 minute working time, and the treated wood hardens in just a few hours. Multiple coats may be needed for very porous surfaces. We specialize in high-quality, permanent restoration products. Our items are solvent-free, virtually VOC-free, and deliver professional results safely. What we like. This product penetrates deeply to restore the strength of worn wood. It creates permanent, strong repairs when used with WoodEpox. If you have wood that has lost its structural integrity due to weather or age and need a consolidant to bring it back to life, this is perfect for various wood elements. What people say. Abatron WoodEpox is different. It is a very slow-setting epoxy. You can mix it up and pour or brush it onto sections of rotting wood, tops of water-decayed beams, delaminating plywood flooring, etc., and it will move into and be absorbed by the wood cells before it begins to cure. When cured, that part which used to be organic rot is now basically a plastic structure. Nearly impervious to water, it cannot rot any longer. Abatron WoodEpox is a two-part epoxy material that is similar to lightweight spackle. Mixed in equal parts, you can work this by hand into voids, large and small, roughly shape it to the original wood member size, and walk away for 24 hours. When you come back, it is perfectly bonded to the liquid wood and the remaining solid wood. It can now be cut, sanded, shaped as necessary and painted. That part of your beam, or whatever, will not rot again. This product did the job famously. The particle board soaked up the product like a thirsty guy in a desert, and with the long working time I was able to apply several applications. I'm not certain how deep it went, but it set up rock hard, and I have high confidence that when I install the new hinge screws the edges will hold better now than when it was first built. Number 1. Abatron WoodEpox Kit, 2 quarts. Restore the strength of worn and deteriorated wood. This epoxy works on windows, doors, trim, and more, permanently repairing damage caused by weather and poor design. Use it for both exterior and interior repairs. When combined with our wood replacement compound, it creates permanent, strong, and shrink-free repairs. This product contains almost no VOCs and no water or solvents. It has a low odor, making it a clean and safe solution for you and the environment. It has a 30 to 45 minute working time, and the treated wood hardens in just a few hours. You may need several coats for very porous surfaces. We specialize in high-quality, permanent restoration products that are easy to use. Our items deliver professional results safely, with virtually no VOCs. What we like. This is a powerful wood restorer that penetrates and strengthens deteriorated wood. It serves as an excellent primer for WoodEpox, ensuring strong, structural repairs. If you're undertaking extensive wood restoration and want to ensure a solid foundation for your repairs, this is the ideal choice for various elements. What people say. Extremely durable and easy to use. I managed to save both the sills and the porch posts by using these products according to the instructions. I sanded them with a hand sander and painted over them, and no one is the wiser. They are strong. This product saved us thousands of dollars by not having to literally take apart the entire bay, built around 1840, shoring it up and reproducing it. Best thing is this epoxy doesn't smell bad like other products on the market and is easy to mold and sand. With a little heat lamp you can cure it quickly on colder days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.